Welcome to Flash Custom Designs. Today we're going to be giving you a tutorial on how to, from start to finish, HTV vinyl on 100% cotton t-shirts, heat pressed. We have an order, which is our first big order of 9 t-shirts. So we're just going to show you start to finish on how to do those. And we're going to get right into it. Thanks. This is the white vinyl that I'll be using. White HTV. This is the black HTV. We're going to be doing white on red shirts and a black on white shirts. Cut out our black HTV to 12 by 12, which that's the size of my Cricut mat, the 12 by 12. The shiny part always goes face down. So let's just place it on there. Shiny part face down. Place it on there. Oh, that's a little crooked. It came in a big strip, so we just kind of had to cut it to what the 12 by 12 that we needed it. Okay, so there we go. Perfect, perfect, perfect. Okay, so go ahead and open your Cricut design space. We are going to select new project. We are going to hit upload and upload image. Browse our computer. I like to keep mine on my desktop just so it's an easier find for me. Open. We are going to hit simple. Since it is only 2 colors, it is a very simple image to transparent. Click all of the white areas that we don't want cut out. Preview. That's what it's going to look like. Let's be sure to zoom in so you are able to see the very little details that still need to be transparent. Zoom in a little bit more. Preview. I notice I still have a little piece that needs to be transparent. Perfect. Preview. Double check, make sure everything is spelled correctly. Give it one more view and continue. One more view, there it is. Save. So now we're going to insert our image. Perfect. Here we go. And then we are going to size it, the size that we need for our t-shirt. And we figured we need a 9-inch image for our t-shirt, and we're going to, it automatically generates to print, so always make sure to just set as cut. Let's make it perfect. So that's what it's gonna look like. And then we realize I need to make 3 of those, so we're just gonna hit duplicate, duplicate. And Cricut automatically sets it on your mat to save in vinyl for you. Always mirror when doing HTV vinyl. Perfect. So we are going to get it going. Make sure your Cricut machine is on so it can find your device. And there is my device. Air 2. Set your materials. Always make sure to check and make sure it's set to vinyl. You hit your loading button, Cricut button, and go. Here it goes. It's preparing and cutting. start pressing our shirts, we have to do a pre-press on them to get out any moisture, to get out anything. So we're gonna press it for just a few seconds, just to kind of get everything off of there. Here, I prepped them all. The plastic is still on all these, plastic, plastic, plastic. And then I'm going to press them. So we kind of just prepped everything, and then we'll just press. Here, so we pre-pressed it. Parchment paper, please. Okay. Go ahead.
Came up. Yeah, helping each other. Not just your own, everybody. Yeah. We all want to win. Hey, just keep a positive vibe. With all this stuff going on, be the change, bro. Be the change you want to be. Be the change you want to see. I love all y'all. I appreciate everybody. Yo, what's up? We're back, man. Super proud of the new edition, Hometeam edition to the Killing Everyday brand. Shout out to Flash Custom Designs. We teamed up with them, straight out of content. They're gonna help us build the Killing Everyday brand. Just super proud of these, man. We're gonna have every color, whatever color you want. We can make it happen. Just let us know, get at us, DM us, or one of them. But I'll sure to tag them so you can see who they are. More of a closer net to your own personal team that you're riding with. Make sure y'all all trying to get somewhere. Y'all pushing each other, not just about one, but about them all. It's a team, baby. We're a team. We're a team. We're a home team about your own team. Hey, just love each other, help each other, pick each other up. This is what this is about right here. I love this. I'm super proud of this. My niece at Flash Cup Design came up with this. I wanted to cry when I seen this because I love this so much. Just so proud of her for doing this for us. But and I'm glad that a lot of people already ordered and we're already about to pass them out. Make sure you tag us, you post us, we'll repost your stuff. We got a rose gold line coming out that my wife's coming out with. The workout gear for the ladies is coming. We even might have some baby stuff, you know what I mean? We're just gonna try to put it on everything. Whatever you want, we're gonna do, you know what I mean? So the home team is about everybody. Positive vibes, let's keep it going. Let's all try to win and help each other. Love is the only way we're gonna get out of all this. Let's do it. Why not? Why can't it be us? Let's do it. Why not? I love y'all. Let's go.